Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can add your friends into your game, into your world, or whatever it is. So, let's say for example that you are using this version of Minecraft, which is 1.18, and you went to your world. This tutorial will still work for you if you have any other versions as well. So, the version doesn't really matter. Now, what you have to do is, let's say, for example, this is your single player world, okay? And you wanted your friend to come in here and to watch what you have built in your world. Basically, it is pretty simple. You have to have only like both of you. You have the same IP, which is like something like you are connected to the same Wi-Fi. This is one option, and the second option is creating a server, and I will explain everything in detail later on. Now, let's talk about this first method, which is connecting in the same local host. How you can do it? Just click on open to LAN, allow sheets, and start LAN word. From here, we can get the hosted ports. What you can do now is give your friend this port, and he has to add it after your IP address. For example, let's say that your IP address is something like that, something like so, something like that. And what he has to do is to add 2 points and write it something like so, just like that. And what he gotta do is to write it in here at server and write it in here, and after doing so he will be able to join your world. And just for your information, you can't quit your game and him still in the server. He will quit as well. You have to be in the game, and each time you quit the game you have to do the same steps and give him the new port that you will get each time you quit the game. So the second method, which is just going to a multiplayer server and joining the same server together. For example, let's join the server and give him the same IP, and you will be able to play together. The third one, which is going to a hosting and buy your own server, and you both have to go ahead and play together. So that was it for today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys a lot for watching.